always see the night. They say they want a real one. They say they want a real one to make them feel young.
Hey yo, what's good, family? Welcome back to Astro Nori for another video. Today we're gonna go ahead and talk about the T week drop for Supreme. All we have so far are the tees, and I am gonna do a full drop list probably tomorrow or after tomorrow. Stay tuned for that. Today we're gonna just talk about the tees. I'm gonna talk about a couple other leaks that I have been seeing. If you guys do end up enjoying this video, man, go ahead and slap a fat like on it down below. Subscribe to the channel if you are new and want to enjoy more of this type of content. Also click the post notification bell so you're notified whenever we post a new video, and do not forget to subscribe because I am gonna come with another giveaway really soon. And once we get to 20,000 subscribers, I'm gonna give away either a pair of Jordans or a box logo. You definitely do not want to miss out on that, so go ahead and subscribe down below. But without any further ado, man, let's go ahead and get straight to it. Okay, so we're gonna go ahead and start from the bottom of the list and then work our way up to the best piece, which is honestly like one or two shirts that I'm actually feeling this week. We're gonna start off with this Not Sorry tee. This one is just weird, bro. Like, it's this teddy bear with a strap on. It says I'm not sorry and it says Supreme on the side. Bro is tweaking. Like, where do you even find this for that size? I'm not even trying to be on there too much because I'm not trying to get Susan to take my ads away, so they're wilding. They bugging on this one. I don't know if you are wearing this one, but they're bugging. Like, who is copying this? Let me know in the chat down below. But we do got the Miles Davis tee, which I actually feel like is pretty solid. I love the way that the actual graphic is. It's like in this rectangle. It says Supreme and it also has a small picture of him. I think that's actually pretty solid. If you guys don't know, he was a sax player, if I'm not mistaken, from back in the day, and they have done a collab with Miles Davis before. They dropped some sick ass pants with Miles Davis on him. My girl actually has those, but this tee right here is pretty solid. I feel like this is one of the ones that is gonna be a sleeper, and I'd more than likely go ahead and try to get my hands on it. We do have the fuck tee, and I feel like we have seen this design before on a jacket. It's like this candle burning out and it says fuck in like the smoke of it, if that makes sense. Pretty solid piece in my opinion. I do love the fact that it got the small box logo on it. It doesn't have this big ass Supreme branding or nothing like that, and I think that's a good thing when it comes to some of these pieces. Definitely a solid piece in my opinion. A lot of people are sleeping on some of these. Like, that bear one could low-key take a seat. Like, that shit is just dookie, and I'm not even gonna think about that one come Thursday. But this fuck tee is one that I might debate just adding it to a cart. We do have the dunk tee, which I'm so disappointed on, bro. I feel like this one could have been magical. Like, this shit could have been so hard, and it's just ass, bro. Like, could have been so much better. You got this fake ass Jordan logo looking ass dude dunking. It's just going outside, bro. It's like a fake Jumpman tee. They should have just waited for a Jordan collaboration to drop a shirt, the dunk shirt or whatever. This is just tragic, bro. Even the spell out on it isn't the best. They can miss me with this one. Like, if I buy that shirt, I'll definitely just buy it, hold it, put it to the side, probably never ever look at it again. That shit is kind of ass though. But we do got this toy pile shirt. This one basically just has a bunch of different toys making up the Supreme branding, and personally I actually kind of like this one because I saw the way that the dude was rocking it, and it pretty much has the S right here and the E here, and then all between it has the après on it. I think this one is actually pretty clean, and if I could get it in the black color, I definitely will. Solid piece in my opinion. I've been trying to get like a multicolor Supreme shirt since forever, and I still haven't got one, I think. But if I could get this in black, I definitely will. I think that the colors pop on it beautifully, and down the line this will be one of those pieces that people reflect on and want to get. So I think this is going to be a solid pickup this week for sure. Resell on the tees usually is like $20 to $30 at most at first, unless it's like a super hype tee. It's just gonna have around that ballpark, and I feel like this one's gonna have $20 to $30, and down the line it'll go for 100 plus. Trust me on that. This one is a solid piece. Then we have the Apes T, which another letdown, bro. A lot of people are kind of liking this one. I just don't see it. There's like a bunch of monkeys holding the Supreme letters, I guess. I don't understand. Like, if I were to buy this, I'd probably never wear it. Just leave it like in a drawer or a gaveta and never see it again till it's time to sell it, if I'm keeping it 100% with y'all. This one's probably gonna have that same $20 to $30 margin as far as resale goes. I don't think I'll end up picking that piece up at all. There's only one shirt that I need this week, and it's the Nicole Smith tee. That shit is gorgeous. gorgeous. I love this shirt, and even that cream colorway right there is a banger. Definitely need the Anna Nicole Smith. If you guys haven't seen her story, I think on Netflix or Hulu, you guys should definitely check that out. It's a banger documentary and you should go ahead and check that out. But hey, that's just me. Definitely a clean piece. I need this right here. Fire, bro. I just love the way that the cream color is, and then with that red Supreme branding on it and the black and white on the photo, fire, bro. One of my favorite pieces that have dropped this season, well, is gonna drop this season, would be this shirt right here. If I could get my hands on it in this color, black, gray, I'll take it. To be honest, this is the only shirt that I'm needing this week. Like, if there were two things that I would pick up, it's the Anna Nicole Smith tee and the Toy Pile tee. Those are two that I definitely need. If I could get the Toy Pile tee in black and the Anna Nicole in cream, I'm good for this week. I don't really need all these other ones. The Fuck tee is alright. Miles Davis is alright. Those are like consolation prizes if I can't get the main event type shit. But out of all these tees, let me know which ones are your favorites in the comments below. Let me know your top 3 and I'll let you know my top 3, which is basically the Anna Nicole Smith at number 1, Toy Pile at number 2, and the number 3 spot would definitely go to the Fuck tee or the Miles Davis tee. It's a gamble between both of those. Now that I covered all the tees releasing this week, I got some Supreme leaks that I do want to get into in this video. One of them being the leak for the Air Max 96s. We did see this leak a couple seasons back, if I'm not mistaken, and it's surfacing again, but this time we're seeing in-hand pictures of the actual sneakers and they look pretty solid. I'm not gonna lie to y'all. If you're an Air Max head or just like a vintage sneakerhead type shit, this is for you. The branding on it is low-key. You got the red check, you got the box logo under the swoosh on the tongue. It says Supreme on the back, if I'm not mistaken, and then the insole has Supreme blasted through it. The only reason you can see it is because the side of the sneaker is actually transparent, which I feel like is something that is low-key coming back into the scene. This sneaker right here is solid though, and I do like the branding on the side of the tongue as well. It says Supreme. As you can see though, this is an in-hand picture. It's not a mock-up. It's none of that. You actually see the sneaker being held by someone, so this is something we could possibly see, and I'm excited to see what happens with this sneaker right here. A lot of people have been talking about it. There's probably gonna be multiple colorways, but as far as the sneaker goes so far, personally, I feel like I'd probably just gravitate towards the black one with like some black or like some colorful socks on the inside. You can make this sneaker pop. It does look like an everyday, just comfortable looking ass Air Max, and I could vibe with that. I'm not gonna lie to y'all. We got the Jordan 3s. These are beautiful. I think they're dedicated to women, if I'm not mistaken, which is, bro, like, I understand. We love women. We respect the women. But, bro, these Jordan 3s need to come out in men's sizing. Please, bro. I love Jordan 3s. I've been preaching there being more collaborations on the 3, and this is a fire one, bro. Like, the cream back tab, the brown tone on it, the suede instead of the elephant print, the A on the front instead of the Jumpman. Behind the little tab on the back tab, it has little quotes. This is a fire ass sneaker, and if I could get my hands on it, bro, I definitely will. This right here is almost like off-white Jordan 4 vibes to me, and it just works perfectly. I love the colors they use, the vintage feel on it. It's just a beautiful sneaker, bro. Let me know what y'all have to say about that down below. These are hard in my opinion. There's also rumors that we're gonna see a Ass Pizza Supreme box logo tee. I don't know if this is official. I don't know if it's gonna come out this season, next season. I don't even know if it's gonna actually happen, but we do have this Ass Pizza collaboration. Obviously, I feel like he's a New York style guru, and this one does have 3 colored box logos back to back stacked pretty much, and I think it's pretty solid. It's something that they've never done before, but my favorite part definitely has to be the back. This is what he's basically known for. Like, this graffiti style on the back of the tee is hard as fuck. If I can go ahead and get this whenever it does release, I'm all for it. He's actually seen wearing the triple black one, which is probably my favorite, but I feel like the colorful one is hard as well. You got like this yellow, the red, and then the brown colorway under it, and we've been seeing these surface around a lot in New York. There's actually the posters that they be slapping on the walls, and there's different colorways. Right here you can see one of the skaters wearing the red colorway or pinkish color, and it has a pink, gray, and blue box logo on it. This one's fire. If I could get my hands on this, like I said before, it's a must cop for sure. I love the back of it though, with the 2021 ass pizza spray can looking ass on the back of it. Fire. There's also these stickers that he leaked. I don't know what's going on with these stickers. I don't know if it's official tissue, but it definitely looks like it's gonna be happening. We got these two different styles on the box logo stickers. Low-key, I'd be happy with the box logo that even looks like this. We're seeing a pumpkin on there. I don't know if that means anything, but you just gotta analyze sometimes. Slight bars. This is a hard sticker though, and the box logo is definitely a banger. I didn't really want to cover too much. If you guys like it when I cover Supreme and then I talk about other things, let me know in the comments, because I can go ahead and make that a weekly thing. Hype of the week or some shit like that. I don't know, just off the head type shit. I can make that a weekly series if that is something that you guys would like. I can go ahead and just talk about everything that happened in streetwear and sneakers for that week. Boom, just drop it there, whatever leaks we got and shit like that. But let me know in the comments, what was your favorite tee releasing? Are you feeling the ass pizza? Are you feeling the Amamanier Jordan 3s? Those are beautiful in my opinion. The Air Max 96 for Supreme, all of those sneakers are fire. The tee, hard. Let me know what your favorite tee is dropping for Supreme as well. And with all that being said, man, leave a like on this video, subscribe if you are new and want to enjoy more of this type of content. Just help me reach my goal, bro. We're like 70 or some shit like that away from the next 1,000, and then after that we're closer to 20k, where I'll do the box logo giveaway or a sneaker giveaway. But with all that being said, man, I'm gonna catch y'all on the next one. Peace, stay up, and I'm out.
Never see the sun, always see the night. They say they want a real one, they say they want a real one to make them feel young.